Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me for today's video. We are testing out a new deep conditioning treatment for the hair today. My hair's been through it. Don't really want to talk about it, but I went from blonde to brunette to blonde again, and my hair is feeling the effects from it. I'm on the hunt for a really good deep conditioner. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, please. I would love to check them out. But today we are going to be testing out the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5. This is the Power Restore Deep Conditioner. Look at the size of this thing. So I've tried out the Elvive 8-Second Wonder Water and I really like that stuff. It makes my hair look really good right after I wash it, but I don't know how much it's doing for like long-term benefits for my hair, you know? Anyway, I saw this and I wanted to test it out. I purchased it off Amazon, and when I got it, it was on a sale. So I got it for $6.89. That was on sale, but look, $6.89 for this big boy right here, and you get 23 fluid ounces in here. However, if I go on there right now, it is $9.97 right now, and that's on sale. I guess the original price is $12.99. But still, regardless, even if it's $12.99, like, this is huge. So I'm hoping that I like it, because if not, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with all of this. I didn't realize, but this says you can rinse it out or leave it in. So I guess I'll have to be trying it out different ways in this video. Today I'm gonna be rinsing it out. It's for damaged hair. It's fine to curly hair, is renewed and stronger from the first use. Tell you what, L'Oreal they have huge claims. They claim big, okay? Go big or go home with L'Oreal. So I'm going to be testing this out. What I like about it already is that for the rinse off one, you only have to leave it on for 1 minute. My hair is looking disgusting right now. I just finished a workout and I haven't used dry shampoo in like 2 days, and it just looks disgusting. So let's take a look at my hair. It's actually not looking that dry in the camera, in the viewfinder, but I promise you it is. So I'm about to jump in the shower right now and I will let you know how it goes. Alright, so here we are. I just got done styling my hair and I have some thoughts on it already. First off, the smell, it's okay. It smells good, but it's not something that I'm obsessed with. I left it in my hair for a little over a minute, and when I rinsed it out, I didn't really notice any difference in my hair. Like, it didn't feel a lot softer. It just felt regular, I guess. And then upon blow drying my hair, right now, I don't feel like it's any softer than it normally is. I actually feel like it kind of feels dry. However, I will say that it does not feel weighed down at all. It's very light and fluffy, airy, if you will. So I do like that about it. It does not weigh my hair down. But I do feel like it gave a little bit of shine, maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. The only thing that I used in my hair today was a heat protectant because I was going to blow dry it. But yeah. So far I'm not super impressed by any means, but I wouldn't say that I dislike it. Alright, so here we are with the second test of this deep conditioner, and that is using it as a leave-in. So I've already have it in. I put it in my hair when it was wet. I pretty much let it air dry, and then I went in with a flat iron, and this is what it's looking like. So I can go ahead and say that I like using this better as a leave-in, which is surprising because I normally don't typically like leave-in conditioners because they weigh my hair down. And that is my #1 reason for liking this one, is that it does not weigh my hair down at all. It's super lightweight. And with using it as leave-in, I feel like my hair is softer. I feel like it's shinier and it just feels healthier. So I think my hair looks really good when I'm using this product, but there's nothing about it that has just completely blown me away. But also the main claims of it is that it helps to strengthen your hair over time. And obviously I am not able to test that out in this video. I will be using this product a lot because I have plenty of it. So I will leave you guys updates in the comment section about how it's strengthening my hair. But I do recommend it. I definitely think it's worth trying out if you're looking for a good budget-friendly deep conditioner. And obviously it's not going to work the same on every person, so you might have more immediate results than I'm having. But really, I feel like I like it a lot better this time using it as a leave-in than I did washing it out. So even after my second time using it, I feel like I like it more. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!